In our previous class, we were talking about section 9 subsection 4, which said if a registered person is taking goods or taking services from an unregistered person, then the registered person should pay GST under reverse charge mechanism. Now, this particular rule is applicable to all the registered persons, but there is one exemptions given to them. Exemptions means there is one benefit which is given to the registered persons from RCM. What is that benefit? It said if a registered person is purchasing from an unregistered person, and the amount involved in the transaction does not exceed 5,000 rupees, then RCM does not apply. I repeat, say I am a registered person and I took services or goods from an unregistered person, and the amount of this transaction in a day did not exceed 5,000 rupees, then provision of section 9 subsection 4, that is provision of RCM, is not applicable. Let us take an example to understand this. Say I am Reliance and I purchased the stationery. I wanted to purchase certain pencil and chalk. Now I am purchasing from an unregistered dealer. Say I purchased it from a small shop who is not registered under GST. I paid him 200 rupees. Now, am I purchasing from an unregistered dealer? Yes. Whether the provision of section 9 subsection 4 applies, it applies. But I don't have to pay under reverse charge mechanism because the aggregate amount of the transaction did not exceed 5,000 rupees in a day. It was only 200 rupees. So I need not pay GST under reverse charge mechanism. Now the next question comes, how do we calculate this 5,000 rupees? Is it per person or is it per transactions? Let us take different scenarios to understand it in a better way. First, say I purchased 3,000 worth rupees goods from one unregistered dealer, then again at the end of the day purchased 3,000 worth rupees goods from one more unregistered dealer. So in a single day, I am purchasing from two unregistered dealers, 3,000 each. Whether exemption applicable to me? The answer is no. This 5,000 you are calculating day wise, not person wise. So even if there are two unregistered dealers, how much purchase I am making? I am making a purchase exceeding 5,000 rupees in a day from an unregistered persons. That means on entire 6,000 rupees, I need to pay tax under reverse charge mechanism. Let us take one more scenario. Say I purchased goods worth rupees 3,000 and services worth rupees 3,000. Whether exemption is applicable? No. This 5,000 we need to total both goods and services in a day. So total is how much? 3,000 plus 3,000, it becomes 6,000. That means Reliance have to pay GST on entire 6,000 rupees. Let us take one more scenario. Say on 1st of January, Reliance purchased 4,000 worth rupees goods from an unregistered person. So on 1st of January, Reliance purchased 4,000 worth rupees goods from an unregistered dealer. On 2nd of January, Reliance purchased 3,000 worth rupees goods from an unregistered dealer. Now in 2 days, they purchased 7,000 worth rupees goods. Whether RCM is applicable? RCM is not applicable because we calculate it day wise. So in our example, nor on the Jan 1st nor on the January 2nd, the aggregate consideration exceeded 5,000 rupees. That means RCM is not applicable.